Hello everyone, this is Professor Massey, and I've had some students say that they can't access their team, so I want to show you how, and hopefully that will solve the problem. So this obviously is the course homepage, and if I scroll down a little bit, over on the left hand side, see groups. Click on groups. Now I don't know what student view is. Unfortunately I don't have the student view in this version of Blackboard. So I don't know if you see all 4 teams listed here, which I do, or you see only the team that you are enrolled in. I suspect that you see only the team that you are enrolled in. But of course I see all 4. And each has 4 members. There are 16 of you in the class. Works out quite nicely. Let's take a look at Team Delta. Team Delta consists of Polly Ramos, Robert Simmons, Travis Souders, or Souders, I'm not sure which Travis, Samuel 2. So down here, and scroll down a little bit, see File Exchange. By the way, you can post your PowerPoints to File Exchange if you wish, but you must post your PowerPoint presentations and all other assignments in the group discussion board. Alright. So the group discussion board, now we go to Team Delta again. And I like to change this date. The default is that it is the most recently created. I like to put 2 and 3 up at the top. So if I click on weeks 2 and 3, and you'll see the same thing. This announcement, classical versus modern, is exactly the same for every team. It is the instructions for what is expected of you as a team leader and a team member. This is also very similar for everyone. It is different based on your team. This one is for Team Delta. It has instructions on what is required. Please note that the PowerPoint is an individual presentation. The only time that this assignment is collaborative is when you are selecting a topic. Okay? Otherwise, this is individual. It's an individual PowerPoint presentation. Even if you have a co-team leader as Polly and Robert do, you will not create the same PowerPoint presentation. If you do, that would be plagiarism. Alright, so this is an individual presentation, an individual project. Alright, so in the Team Delta, weeks 2 and 3, Polly and Robert are the co-team leaders. Weeks 4 and 5, Travis is the team leader. Weeks 6 and 7, Samuel is the team leader. I did this format in all teams. I thought, I've taught seminars for a couple of years now at Walden, and I remember the first time that I taught one of these seminars, I'm like, wow, this is so different. There's a bit of a learning curve, right? Because it's not at all like the classes that we have that we become accustomed to. It's not like the other classes at Walden. So I thought by providing you with co-team leaders for weeks 2 and 3, you could talk to each other, bounce ideas off each other, see what you think. It's like, okay, so what are we supposed to do? 10 annotations, what are they supposed to include? How many PowerPoint slides? And then by the time we get to weeks 4 and 5, then you all will have figured it out much better by then. So in each of the groups, there are co-team leaders in weeks 2 and 3, and individual leaders in weeks 4 and 5, and 6 and 7. So that, and you can see that Robert posted on behalf of himself and Polly a topic. I provided some feedback on it. And so, at least in Robert's case, he was able to access the team board. So, hopefully, you will be also able to do that. And I'll post this in the classroom so you can take a look at it, and hopefully, it'll help. And I will see you in cyberspace. Thanks much. Bye bye.